Here's a comparison between membrane and mechanical keyboards to help you decide which one might suit your needs better. Membrane keyboards. How they work. Use a rubber or silicone dome under each key to register key presses. The key press completes an electrical circuit on a flat surface, sending input to your computer. Pros. Affordable. Generally cheaper than mechanical keyboards. Quiet operation. Produce less noise. Ideal for quiet environments. Lightweight, often lighter and more portable. Spill resistance. Some models are designed to resist minor spills. Cons. Less durability. Tend to wear out faster. The rubber domes degrade over time. Mushy feel. Key presses lack tactile feedback, which can feel imprecise. Slow response. Not ideal for competitive gaming due to slower actuation. Best for general office work, casual users, and those on a tight budget. Mechanical keyboards. How they work. Use individual mechanical switches for each key. These switches have distinct components, like a spring and stem to register key presses. Pros. Durability. Last longer, often rated for 50 to 100 million keystrokes. Customizable feel. Offer different switch types. E, G, tactile, linear, or clicky for tailored experiences. Precise feedback. Better key press accuracy and faster actuation. Ideal for gaming and typing. Customizability. Many allow keycap swaps, backlighting, and switch replacements. Cons. Expensive. Typically cost more than membrane keyboards. Noise levels. Can be noisy depending on the switch type. AMG, blue switches. Heavier. Less portable than membrane keyboards. Best for gamers, programmers, writers, and enthusiasts who prioritize performance and typing experience. Key differences. Membrane keyboard features. Price low. Typing feel mushy. Durability 5 to 10 million keystrokes. Noise quiet. Customizability limited. Weight lightweight. Mechanical keyboard features. Price medium to high. Typing feel crisp, tactile, or smooth. Durability 50 to 100 million keystrokes. Noise can be loud, varies by switch. Customizability highly customizable. Weight heavier. Which should you choose? Choose membrane if you want an affordable, quiet, straightforward keyboard for everyday tasks. Choose mechanical if you need durability, a premium typing experience, or an edge in gaming or productivity. Would you like specific recommendations based on your use case? I recommended the membrane keyboard and mechanical keyboard, buying link in the description. Go and buy now, which is right for you.